Hello, wonderful writers. So today we are going to work on our introduction for our informative paper. And you may notice that we are actually working on the parts of your paper kind of out of order. So in the previous lesson, you actually worked on constructing the body paragraphs of your paper. But in today's lesson, you are going to be working on the introduction of your paper. So I find that a lot of times if students start with the introduction, they kind of get hung up on, I don't have the perfect beginning for this. And so I find that if you can just get your ideas down in the body paragraphs, then it a lot of times will allow you then to go back and kind of pull back to, okay, what's my big idea in the introduction? So today you're going to be writing the introduction, and the best way to think about an introduction paragraph is to think about an inverted paragraph. I'm an inverted pyramid, excuse me. So the first sentence in your introduction is going to be this broadest level of the pyramid, and you can see here it says it's general. This is the hook. So the reader could be paying attention to a million different things in their life, and then when they read your hook, it's catching their attention. It's saying, hey, I want you to pay attention to this. Then in your second sentence, you're getting slightly less general. You're narrowing down that topic. You might be giving us some background information. You might be explaining why this topic matters, but you're continuing to kind of narrow in our focus. And then at the last sentence, you are going to get very specific, get really specific to the point. So this is going to tell us as the reader what it is that we are going to be learning about. However, dear writers, listen very carefully. Never, ever, ever, ever write the sentence, I am going to write about, or I am going to tell you about, or this essay is going to be about. Okay, we never, ever, ever, ever include those sentence starters. If you're having a really hard time writing your thesis sentence, your topic sentence, without using that phrasing, then you can just write it with that and then delete that section. Okay, if you were going to write, this essay is going to be about the differences and similarities between steaks cooked on a grill and steaks cooked on a stovetop. You could write that and then delete the first part, and then you're left with, there are many differences and similarities between steaks cooked on a grill and steaks cooked on a stovetop. Okay, now that's not the most thrilling topic sentence, but it does focus in on the main idea. So we're not using the information from our graphic organizer yet, with the exception of students who used 3 solutions to their problem solution essay. In this type of structure, you are going to include the problem in your introductory paragraph because you have so much to write about with your solutions in the body of your paragraphs. The other exception to this would be the cause and effect essay. So if you're starting with the cause of a problem, you're going to put that in your introductory paragraph because then you're focusing on effect 1, effect 2, effect 3 in the body of your paper. On the opposite, if you're starting with the effect and you're listing 3 causes of that effect in the body of your paper, then you are going to include the effect in your introductory paragraph. But if you're doing any of the other graphic organizers, then you can just generally mention your topic in your introductory paragraph. No one is giving me the main body of their information in their topic. In their introductory paragraph. As always, if you need help with this, I am here to help you. Please sign up for tutoring. Remember, we schedule tutoring, by going to the middle school student site and then clicking on tutoring links. And then you would be able to sign up for Language Arts tutoring.